Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest. You can change your email. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest, you can change your email. You should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will go to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, here you will go to this app of Pinterest. After that, you will enter to first stop. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.